are pleased to show you the 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.